It's time to grab a box of Corn Flakes. Can you believe it? Corn Flakes are really old. They were invented in 1894, and it was during that time period in the 1900s that people were using Corn Flakes to make fun things. They were using it in baking, to make bread, to make pie crust, and to make cookies. I'll be making a cookie from this cookbook by B. Dylan Hollis. He likes to make lots of vintage recipes and give them a try, kind of like I do. Well, in this book, I'm going to work my way through all of the decades, and we're making something from the first decade, the 1900s. We're making Corn Flake Macaroons. I need to start with the whites of 3 eggs and a teaspoon of salt. You need to beat that until you have stiff peaks. I need to beat in a teaspoon of vanilla. Gradually fold in a cup of sugar. The mixture will deflate. Also fold in a cup of shredded unsweetened coconut. And fold in 2 cups of corn flakes. Drop spoonfuls onto a baking sheet. Now bake it at 350 for about 18 to 22 minutes, and you want them to be a nice light golden color. Allow it to cool completely on the baking sheet. Right, here they are. They look really fun. Wow, and very light. Yes. They're very airy, like a macaron, but they have the flavor of a macaroon. What a great idea! Thank you, B. Dylan Hollis, for finding this awesome recipe. I'm ready to try more. I want to get a border collie. The one I have isn't bored enough.